I was tired. Di pa ako tulog masyado. Came here like 2 hours before our flight. And it's okay. You know what? You don't really need to rush, in my opinion. But usually, yeah, immigration takes 1 hour if puno yung line. Pero mukhang hindi naman. I don't know actually. Pero madaming tao. Ayun, madaming tao. Yeah. We're like walking so slow. So mamaya pa yung flight. I don't know what to do also. I'm gonna get bored.
Where are we going? Let's go. We're going to Osaka. Let's go.
Now in Osaka. That's the same from the last time I went here was like 9 years ago. Me, my bro, like a bit more than 10 years. So, this is the train.
This airport must be really big.
It's super big.
Why?
Very big. Kaya tagal nga sa runway. We're outside! Woo!
It is
Terminal
unexpectedly cold, guys.
1. Yeah, kapag...
The humidity is crazy right now. Look at the paligid. It's so nice.
It's so humid. You can see the humidity. Pero, yeah, if you stay enough for outside for so long, you'll get cold.
I'm only wearing like 2 layers so far.
Not
And
even
I can-
heat tech. This is heat tech already. So I'm protected. Not protected. Anyways, let's go. We're gonna go to hotel.
It's been relaxing. We have our Sims.
Real.
We're never gonna make the same mistake in Nagoya. Let's go.
Real. It's 11 degrees. Meron
We're back in Hakone.
Diba kasi it's the humidity. Natuwa sa humidity. Si Kansai Airport looks better than Narita.
Layout wise, yes.
Layout. Hindi ka malilito.
Yeah. It's just a bit old. It feels like old now.
In a way, busy pero mas organized. I'm wearing face mask because I look ugly right now.
We just boarded the Nangkai Limited Express. This time we have reserved seat tickets so we don't mess up. It's very nice. Smells old. Smells quaint. Let's see. Very huge. But it's just the right temperature. We're moving very nicely.
On the way to Atlantis. Charot. I love trains.
We made it. Tembashi ferry and then the two bridge. Let's go.
The sakura trees are not yet bloomed.
It's better than I expected.
It's still like kind of pink, but it's growing. It's still March 25, by the way. So on the way to the hotel. Let's go. That's
Just
it.
30 seconds. Look at that. Our mini Shibuya. Scrambles crossing.
That's our mall. Diyan na tayo bibili ng lahat. Everything is
It's so
here.
convenient here actually. It's really good location.
Everything is here. There's Uniqlo, GU.
Yeah, let's go.
Don't have to think about anything anymore. Let's
Finally, we're back. We're here.
go. We're back. I mean, technically. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Wait for the reveal.
Wow, yung malaki yung nakuha namin. Yay! And it's carpeted.
Yay!
Oh, look, smell here. Whoa, it's actually spacious.
Finally,
Space.
some space.
Uy, may milk! You have milk! Is this free?
It's water, bro.
Ay, okay. Joke. Mga kasing milky. Okay, ano view natin?
Look at our view. It's the mall.
It's the mall. And nandun yung river.
Dude, we're this high? High up?
Actually, natatakot ako. But it's Japan, so... Yeah, they've survived earthquakes. Okay. And this is a new building, so... We're fine. That's where we came
We're
from.
bigger than the mall. Hello.
I guess.
It's so nice here.
But yeah, the bed is nice. We have...
Actually,
We have pajama. Pajama all day. Okay, then couch. Couch potato.
hyperlapse ako.
Couch potato. So we're gonna do our tea. Midnight tea. The midnight tea.
We have a nice hanger here. Just gonna put later. So 2 separate rooms.
Separate rooms.
Yeah, separate bathrooms. This one is the shower.
Oh, shower.
Where's the lights? There we go.
Oh, nice.
Oh, and the reveal.
Ay.
Oh my
Wow! May clothes line to. Nag-work ba yung clothes line? Wait, tanggalin mo yung shoes.
So, eto. Yes, it works.
Oh,
We somewhere to fucking hang, bro. Hang out. Oh yeah, we forgot to bring the hangers.
Ay, nako.
And it's nice bathroom.
I mean,
Is it open?
wow. We're
Best,
prepared.
best hotel now.
Wala lang kaming hanger. That's it for the tour. Very quick. We're gonna rest for a while.
Goodbye. It's messy. The directions are impeccable.
It's so dark.
Chaotic. Yeah. I like the vibes.
Vibes though. Looks like they're closed. So dead. Baka mag-McDo na lang tayo. We have no choice.
Japanese food displays looks amazing. Ooh, details.
Eating lunch at 4 p.m. Is our lunch.
This. Let's see how good it is. Mini Shibuya style. Might be a good comparison.
It's the milk. Welcome to Solaniwa Onsen.
Hello.
Yeah, we're gonna eat first before going to the baths alone.
This is huge. This place is fucking huge.
Yeah. And we're wearing yukatas. I don't know how to tie, so I just did random ribbons.
Let's go.
Okay. Just finished onsen. Now we have our milk.
That was really nice. Change of pace.
Recommend you relax first when you arrive. Char. There's an arcade inside. 15 minutes before it closes. Can't really do anything. Taiko.
Where's the points? We just finished our onsen today, and it was very nice, relaxing. Woo. Worth it.
It was so hot though, and now it's cold.
Look at the open space. What the fuck is this for? What is this for?
The gathering of my demons.
You can practice your dances, routines. Shit, bro.
The view. Okay.
Let's go back.
Yes. This is our free breakfast.
Kind of late, but better than late than never. It's pretty good actually.
It's just kind of cold. We are at PARCO. It's a Shinsaibashi mall.
We're on our way to Lego store. We're surrounded by fashion design, luxury items.
Of course, we're not gonna buy. It's expensive lah.
They have a dedicated building, a whole ass building.
Yeah.
There's more.
Character shops. This is my turf. Charot.
How does it spell it?
I'm surrounded by kawaii. 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 Not gonna buy. Malakas ang aking resistance kasi gusto ko lang Genshin. And Pokemon, I'm just looking. Pero sige do. The overconsumption is consumption.
There's heaven, and then there's this Ghibli store. Ooh, free stuff. Don't mind if I do. Woo!
We are in the Bros Turf. Tourist mode.
I want to buy this. I already have it though.
Tourist mode. Wow. We are in the character shop. So everything is like for the weebshes or like the geek stuff. And I live for the
Nerdy
geek
stuff.
stuff.
Nerdy.
Nerdy stuff.
Exclusive merch in Lego stores. Lego. Can you build it?
No.
It's not the best quality, as you can see. The biggest grubby patty.
Biggie pack.
Humongous.
I like seeing cute stuff. They're all so cute. Tokyo hands, it can inspire something inside you. Make things. I mean, despite the capitalism, but like, geez, I am inspired to make something.
No. Water inside the jars. No. Let's go.
Welcome to my world. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my gosh,
shit.
I love this. I don't know what to buy. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I actually want jewelry maybe. Wow, it's so cute. I would probably just buy jewelry.
Shake Shack Japan, let's go. Let's try it out.
The usual shopping street na madaming tao. Ah, madaming tao. John. Okay. We are here at the Glico Man. That's the tourist spot. People like the Glico Man for some reason. Ah, the Glico. We're gonna go to the secret spot that I see in TikTok.
Under?
Dito. Sheesh, ang lamig. Wearing 2 layers, by the way. Look at the Glico. What is happening? There's tours. There's
There is a
2025.
expo, yeah.
Oh, this crab restaurant has lots of people. The line goes over there. I don't know why, but yeah.
This is the outside shop. They're just selling outside stuff.
Ah, what do you wanna buy?
No.
Oh my god, yay!
Let's go this cool ass building.
Yeah, there's this Colas building with nice architecture. Look at that.
This is what something popular.
It's popular for some reason.
Custard.
The 10, I don't know, 10 yen bread. It's 500 yen. It's not 10 yen. But 10 yen is the design. It's not 500 yen. So we're gonna eat it now.
I'm gonna try it out. We only bought one because, well, we're kind of full. Moshi Manju, let's go.
Oshimanju.
No, it's not.
It is for me.
It's different. I actually like it.
Yeah.
It's a 7 out of 10 though because I don't know why. Okay.
It's just hype. Okay.
500 yen. I don't think it's worth it. It's okay.
The reason why there's lots of girls because I don't know, there's an ikemen na artista there inside. I don't know who, but the dude must be so handsome, I guess.
It's the biggest screen I've ever seen in my life.
Donkey.
It's not moving. I don't know why.
Or baka maano, it's just slow.
No, it's not moving at all, bro. And there's a lot of people inside.
Yeah. We'd rather go to a donkey that doesn't have people.
Another mega.
Yeah.
This was really fucking full. And then there's like the disproportionate of amount of fucking Indians or Bangladeshi. I don't know, bro.
Grabe.
Middle Asian.
Kaya pala siguro may may Pakistani biryani dun.
Yeah. There's some recommendations. They're pretty good down though. We're waiting for a boat ride. You already started lining up? I guess it's our boat. It's small.
I think we have like 10 minutes pa.
Yeah. 20-minute ride. Let's go. The most touristy thing ever. Look, bird.
Is that a bird?
Nighttime, Shinsaibashi and Dotonbori. Let's go. It's not even on yet. Why?
This is the vibes yun. Ngayon lang binuksan. But yes, this is the touristy stuff. We're ironing because it's free. And this is very cheap trench coat that I just bought in a cheap store because the lady was nice.
It
And
looks.
it's cheap.
It looks good, naman.
Yeah, it looks good from far away in the pictures. But yeah, since it's gonna be hotter soon, this is fine.